So today is my birthday and I'm really excited about this video. I really hope that you guys enjoy the video, and the title of this video should give a clue to what the video is about, so stay tuned for the answer. Welcome back to my channel. Man, can you believe that last video? Neither can I. What a wonderful experience to have happen. Sure hope you marked the 15th on your calendars. I can't wait to read the comments below from those who have gotten the book. I'll post one more video on this in regards to what I feel about the book and a few other things that I don't want to spoil yet. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss it. So what is so special going on with the channel? TBI Journey has now gotten the community tab. Let's take a walkthrough on this one to see what it looks like. Rule number 1. Click on my photo, just like this one. Number 2, scroll over just like I show you here. Number 3, click on this as I show you here. I have a post already in this tab. If you would like to add anything to them, you're welcome to. I try to post in here maybe once a week for everyone to see. As I learned more about this tab, I can post new content in it. I'm super excited that YouTube has made this change. I can keep more info in front of you in upcoming changes. I'm not sure if there is a bell for this one, but you might want to set it to all so you don't miss any of my new posts. Yeah, and that's basically it for getting into the new tab on the channel. Also, as a side note, for anyone that's trying to find the playlists that I have on the channel that I keep talking about, I have that here for you guys. So take a peek at anything that you're trying to find involving my past videos. Announcements at the end. Stay tuned for that. Thank you. For anyone wondering, I had such a wonderful birthday today and had had a few wonderful surprises along the way. We'll call it that. A few wonderful surprises as I went through my day today. This happens to be one of them. These 2 cups, the book, and the hair tie were all technically gifts, but some of it I wasn't expecting, some of it I was. But overall, the umbrella is I had a great birthday, and I am very, very happy to announce that the brain videos will be coming out the 2nd week of December. Headbands of Hope is one of Jess's companies. I do believe it was the first company she ever started. I absolutely love this company and is very close to my heart. So if you're at all interested, even though I didn't fully put it in the other video, go take a look at it and see what you think. If you buy something, great. And if not, maybe you can find a referral. So the last video I will be posting in 2022 will be my CNY video. And with that, we're headed to the editing board. Thank you. Have a wonderful week, and as always, thank you for your most valued currency, your time.